Hey, it's Gigi, and today I'm here to do a review on the Optics 55 Pre-Moistened Lens Wipes. I purchased these because I wanted something that's quick and handy that I can put in my purse or keep in my car when I need to clean my glasses. And this is the pack of 200, so yes, I have plenty, plenty to make sure my glasses stay clean. And I love this little pouch opening here that you can just pull it so easy. Just pull it out, grab a few whenever you need it. I'm going to demonstrate how I use the wipes because the first time I used it, I wish somebody had told me because I had streaks. It was too wet and I didn't dry it. So I'm going to demonstrate to you in a moment. They're not just for your eyeglasses, but they're good for your camera lens and your electronic devices or your electronic screens, camera, optical lens. It's an ammonia-free formula, so therefore you don't have to worry about your eyes burning from the fumes of the ammonia. So that's really good, especially when you're cleaning your glasses. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and open it again. From the first time that I used it, I learned the lesson to kind of shake it out a little bit. And the reason I shake it out is because I don't want it to be so wet when I go to clean my glasses. All right, so as you, I don't know if you can see or not, but I did like smudge them up so you all can see the difference. See that? That's pretty smudgy. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and clean them so we can get rid of the smudge. You can see if you want to purchase these for yourself. I'll tell you what, they are very convenient. Very convenient. All righty. Okay, is that better? Like I can see the reflection off the window. All right, so when I put them on, and yes, much better. Much better. I hope this review has helped you. If so, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.